85 Delta, turning left crosswind, runway 35, departing to the west, San Geronimo traffic. Okay, we're going to go for a heading of 240, 4,500 feet, and just try maneuvering a steep turn here to the left side of the aircraft. Clear left, here we go. One thing about Bonanzas is they want to keep on turning once you bank them like this, so you got to be vigilant. I know what the aircraft is capable of, I know what you're capable of, but it's a steady platform, it really is. Little distraction there. And there goes 200 feet down. And about 10 degrees off on the rollout. So 200 feet, 10 degrees. All right, we'll try a heading of 340 this time. We're going to go to the right. And 4,500 feet. Let's see how she does. Get all trimmed out, get pointed in the right direction. Heading of 340, 4,500 feet. Clear right, right turn. All right, nailed it that time. 340, 4,500. Airplane's doing well this morning. Let's try a clean stall. See how she works for us. I'm going to open up the squelch so you can hear the horn. And we'll see when she decides to slow down enough to stall on me. Bring up the RPM some for recovery. Leave the cowl flaps open. Check them out. They're working fine. Okay, here, let's go heading of 360 or straight north. We're at 4,500. Let's trim it. And we'll slow it down in the clean configuration. There's 70 miles an hour. There's the horn. There's the wing. She's shaking on me. Recover, full RPM. Climb. She went to a secondary stall there just for a minute. Okay, we're climbing well. Out of danger. Temperatures are okay. Let's try this again. Put it down to about 1,700 RPM. We'll keep the manifold pressure in the green this time. Alright, slowing her down. And let's go straight north like we know what we're doing.
We are 8 miles southeast on the RNAV 31 straight in.
Alright, let's try a stall. Clean configuration, wheels are up, flaps are up. Pull her back. The Bonanza has both the horn and the red light down here on the lower left of the panel. Keep it coordinated, step on that right pedal. There's the horn. There's the horn, there's the wing, it's starting to shake, there it is, there's your stall right there. Full throttle, recover. Yeah, see the secondary stall because I pulled back too quick. Okay, she's flying again. Engine temperatures are fine. Level flight. And let's head back to base. Clear left we'll do a steep turn to the left on the way back home. Yeah, she turns very well. You have to be careful though. Like I say, once you drop the wing, she likes to keep on dropping that wing. So be careful in that Bonanza. San Geronimo traffic, Bonanza 85 Delta is on short final for 3-5, full stop, San Geronimo. Okay, we're a little bit fast. I can slow her down.
Back home again in Indiana, and it seems I can see a fleeting candlelight still shining bright through the sycamore for me. The new moon, hey, seems all its fragrance from the field I used to roam. When I dreamed about that moonlight on the land, did I long for my Indiana home? Back home again.
Well, that was a fun day to fly. Thanks for joining me. And what a good excuse to fly, to change the oil. And not everybody gets to enjoy an oil change as much as I do. Y'all take care.